Hola, soy Profen y soy tu hermano.
Soy Javier y soy tu hermano.
Somos tus hermanas.
Soy Carlos, soy tu hermano.
Hola, soy Andro y soy tu hermano.
I'm your sister.
I'm your sister! I'm Julieta and I'm your sister.
I'm my brother's keeper.
I am her brother keeper.
Harvest, a long tradition in this school. A long tradition which means go out and help. This harvest, we're looking and trying to look for brothers and sisters. We don't know where they are, that they're not our real siblings, but they are brothers and sisters who are in need. Behind those mountains or hills, behind those walls that surround us, you just have to look around and you'll find brothers and sisters who are not your real family, who are not the ones that live with you inside your house together with your parents, but they're brothers and sisters in need as a human being. And that's what Harvest means for all of us every single year and every time we have done it. This year more especially, we want to go outside, we want to go through the walls, we want to go through the mountains and the hills and look for those brothers and sisters and tell them to reach out our hands and receive our help. So come on, come, bring your help. We need you, they need you.